chocolate chip pancakes. And I have a little assistant right here, and he's a puppy. His name is Blitzen, and he's a 1-year-old. And he's gonna sit right here and watch the show. So I'm gonna tell you all my ingredients. So there's a cup of mix and a half cup of water and 1 egg and a tablespoon of oil and as many chocolate chips if you want. So first I'm going to put in the mix. And then I'm going to put in the water. And then I'm going to mix it up a little bit. And then after that, I'm going to put in the egg.
Good job.
And then after that, I'm going to mix it stirly.
One hand on the bowl.
Now I'm going to try to get all the mix off the side.
Is this something you make a lot of? Do you like to make this often?
Well, sort of, yeah.
It's one of your specialties.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It's your specialty to eat them.
Yeah.
Your assistant really looks like he's watching.
Yeah. And now Blitzen can do one thing, and I'm gonna let him do the oil. Well, I don't think Blitzen wants to right now.
Okay.
He's tired. Then I'm going to pour it in.
Mm-hmm.
Mix it up again. And also when you're making pancakes, you can put them in any order you want, but I'm just doing it in this order.
Okay. Excellent. Seems to be the best way to do it, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense, actually.
Then I'm going to pour in the chocolate chips.
Oh boy, all of them, huh? Whoa, whoa, that's a good amount. That's a lot of chocolate
Then
chips.
I'm going to mix it up.
Okay. Do you want some pancakes with your chocolate chips?
What do you mean?
I mean, there's a lot more chocolate chips than there is pancakes.
Yeah.
But that's the way you like it.
Yeah. It would taste extra chocolatey if I put lots in, but I usually put more chocolate chips in than that.
It's very good. Wow, that looks yummy. Let's take a look at the bowl. Can you tilt the bowl up so we can see it?
Mm-hmm.
So that's what it should look like, huh?